Wouldn't it be interesting to imagine money as pure energy? But what is energy really? It's a potent force which in fact is invisible and becomes perceivable only in its movements and its consequences, like electricity does. And its force can be amplified, yes, amplified, in the good and in the bad. And like electricity, money is also neutral, although they made us believe that money is dirty, that it spoils the character, and that it's the root of all evil. This is simply not true, because we may compare the energy of money to the drunken alcoholic who in his fury hurls the bottle against the wall in the belief that the bottle is the only reason for his despair. But always be aware that money is energy, and only our thoughts give to this energy a direction, positive or negative. Energy follows thought and not the other way around. Always remember, energy follows thought. Even if my friend always says, I have the incredible mind power to transform money into bills. And be aware of the energy of the subscription to my channel.